Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I would be sharing you about the video mic which I would be using to vlog on my GoPro Hero 5, and this is Boya, known as Boya BY-M1, and it also comes with the battery because it is run with the external battery, a small the battery which is like your watch battery. And as I've already connected it to my GoPro, this is how the sound clarity is right now on my GoPro Hero 5. Okay, and I will also share what adapter I'm using, because you don't have an external slot to connect your 3.5mm the cable to your GoPro Hero 5, so you require an adapter. So I have a GoPro adapter which I can connect it on my GoPro Hero 5, and once you connect it, this is how the sound clarity is. So right now you see I have connected the mic, and I'm free to talk. So I will show you how the sound clarity is without this mic. So let me unplug from the adapter. Okay, so right now I have unplugged it from my adapter, and you wouldn't find much of this much of a difference, but yes, there would be slight difference. And let me connect it back to my GoPro Hero 5. Alright, so I have connected the mic back to my camera. Okay, and a very important information is how is this battery inserted. Okay, you need to turn around this cap. Okay, you see a battery here. This is how it looks like. So once it is connected, okay, and once the battery is over, you can always buy the battery from any of the watch repairing shop or anywhere online where they are selling the same battery. I would mention the details of the battery online on my description, so don't miss to check it out. Okay friends, this is all about how the Boya mic really works. I have a contest running for you guys, and if you want to win this Boya mic, you need to be really creative and also do subscribe and comment on my channel. So I would be running out this contest for a month, and starting today from 2nd of October to the 2nd of November. This is for one whole month, and the lucky winner will be randomly chosen. One person would receive this Boya mic, and you're lucky. If you're lucky, there you go, this is yours. Alright, so please do subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell icon to stay connected, which is really important for me to make my video channel better day by day. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Stay tuned and be lucky to win this Boya mic.